Hi, I'm Deb from Skein Sisters and I have got Charlie with me this morning. He's decided that he's absolutely starving. He's going to die any second now if we don't feed him. And he has been fed twice already. So Charlie, say goodbye. Bye. Today I'm going to start blocking my shawl, and I have been busting to do this and to show you all. It's my Fibre Fest shawl by Stephen West, which I have made in Miss Bab's Yummy 2-ply, and I absolutely love this yarn. So let's get blocking. Right, to start with, I would normally do this in my laundry tub. My laundry is like half finished and you really don't want to see it. So I've just got a big bowl here, and I'm going to use something like, I'm going to use soak, but you can use wool wash, anything like that, and just a little squirt in the water and a bit of a swish around. I come in a bit closer. And you don't want to have this hot, okay? Especially if you have got a red yarn, hand dyed with white, something like that. The hotter the water, it actually opens those fibres up, and that's when you've got more tendency for it to bleed. So if you've got red yarn, make sure it's cold. Anything else is totally fine, lukewarm, room temperature, that kind of temperature. So I am just going to squish it all down in here and leave it for about half an hour. And that's it.